Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect Exness to Metatrader 5. So basically you can see we have multiple brokers showing up in here codes. So if you want to connect Exness, there is no as such option showing up in here. So for that you can simply integrate. You can see we have settings and we have enable news and everything. So there is actually no direct way to connect it, but if you head over to your chart section, you can see we have multiple trading options over here. So in the codex you can search for Exness, and yeah, so it is not showing up in here as well. So basically currently as of now there is no option to directly connect Exness to MetaTrader 5, but if it is going to be in future, I will let you guys know about it. And you're going to try it in your Exness application as well, but inside MetaTrader 5 there is no as such option. So I hope this piece of information was helpful and is going to be saving your time, and if it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.